Hello Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. This time once again the Stellar XLM, the Cardano, XRP, these all coin is fast down. You know what, today is the 1st July. In the beginning of the July month, these all three coin make records my friends. Stellar XLM, XRP and Cardano ADA make a record. In the beginning of a new month, the price of these coin is negative, and you can see here that at this time the Stellar XLM price is also negative 2.58% my friends. So at this time my friends, a lot of people message me on Instagram, on Telegram, that what should we do in this critical situation. Is there is a possibility to the price will again pump, is there is a possibility to the price jump more and more. So finally friends, in this video I will show you my friends how you can get profit from the Stellar XLM my friends. First of all, before starting this video, please my friends, I request everyone to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So at this time my friends, the currently latest price of the Stellar XLM is 0.263089 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Stellar XLM. Furthermore, you can see here that 24 hours trading volume of the Stellar XLM 406.02 million is the trading volume of the XLM my friends. And furthermore, you can see here the market cap is also 27.68 billion is the market cap of the XLM my friends. And I really want to give you a profit my friends. You know what my friends, in the beginning of the July month, you can see that is the July 1. You can see here, just look here my friends. At the beginning of the July, the price of XRP is in the pumping mood. Sorry, XLM my friends, the price of XLM is in the pumping mood. And now at this time, after some passage of time, after 2-3 few hours of pumping, the price again falls down, completely falls down, and still the price of XLM is falls down. You can see here now at this time the price is going down. So absolutely, that's really big news, bad news for all of you, that the price of the XLM is falls down in the beginning of a new month. So that's why I'm very sad to see this kind of change in XLM. But anyways, don't be disappointed my friends. Hold XLM my friends. You will get a good amount of profit my friends. Absolutely. You know what, I also predicated the Stellar XLM that they have to take a jump in the July month. So in the July they will give you good amount of profit. You have to only hold. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos my friends.